welcome to my channel. My name is Bria and I make beauty videos in sign language. In my last video, I showed you how I do this makeup look right here. So I want to show you how to do this daytime look and change it to a nighttime look. Very easy. I think a classic look is a gold eye with a red or just a bold lip. I'm going to be using my modern Renaissance palette. I'm just going to get started with my face. So if it's a nighttime look, I want to be a little more contoured. So I'm using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I love this. It's just a nice cool tone and I like the scent. It's kind of like a coconut smell. I'm just going over my blush with the bronzer where I'd normally put my bronzer to contour. So just kind of follow your bone there. And then we're going to take it and just go in this kind of C shape. I'm kind of stopping a little bit short. So just about here. And that's just because I already brought my blush like all the way here. So I don't want too much product on my cheeks. I already have a transition shade from my look that I already did today. It's just kind of a neutral brown color. I'm using Cypress Umber. Using this fluffy shader brush, and be super careful with this color because it's so pigmented, so strong of a color. So you have to be so careful when you dip in. Make sure you tap off the extra and just kind of build it up a little bit slower than normal. So I'm just kind of, I'm going to stamp the color. So just press it on. And I'm going to try to make a V right where I have my crease and where my lashes are. And then I'm just going to go through my crease all the way. But don't add any extra product on your brush because it's so strong of a color. You only need a tiny bit to use all over your eye. So now I want it a little bit darker, so I'm just gonna stamp the color here. I'm not gonna drag it over this time. And then I'm just gonna kind of blend just the edge. Now I'm using this very flat, tiny brush that comes with the palette. I want to use that beautiful gold just on the bare part of my lid. Now I'm going to highlight with Vermeer just on the brow bone and the inner corner. I'm going to apply Cypress Umber just on the outer third of my bottom lashes. Now I feel like my hair and my shirt are too boring. I need to go change now and fix my hair. And that's it. This is my finished look. I have a lot of flyaways. Like after I had my son, it won't stop. So beautiful. That's a style. That's it for this video. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I make new videos every Friday.